Click Invert Visible Color Blocks and all stitches will become hidden. Select Color 8, Black, in the Color worksheet. There will not be enough fabric for the black outlines inside the wing shapes to be stitched out once the cutouts are made. These lines should be removed. The green satin stitches will pull in and form the edge of the cutwork area. Drag the handles on the draw range until only these lines are shown. Click Make Block from Visible Area. Click Delete. The stitches are removed from the dragonfly embroidery. Click Draw All Stitches.